Hello, habari, Wendy Wati here, and right now I am in Nanyuki. So welcome to yet another video. This house is 100 years old. It was moved from Nairobi. It actually used to be in Hurlingham, and I remember I came here last year for Nomad when they had just moved it and they just started renovating it. I think I am now looking at it afterwards, like the work they've done on it is incredible. This place is just amazing. And so it has like 3 spacious bedrooms. There's a kitchen, so you can do self-catering if you want. There's a dining area, lots of chilling areas, like both inside. There's a wraparound veranda. You can just sit here and like check out views of Mount Kenya, the Aberdares. Let's talk about costs, because I really want you guys to come here. So the house is 15,000 Kenya shillings for 2 people per night. Any extra person will cost 2,500 shillings per night, and then maximum capacity is 8 people. When they call this place One Stop, the name is so befitting because it's literally a one stop for everything you need. Like there's a restaurant, there's the 100-year-old house where we're staying, there's the Shepherd's Hut, which I'm standing in front of right now. I'm going to show you inside just now. There's a like supermarket, there's a salon, there's a vet. You can come with your dogs if you have pets. It's child friendly. It's right off the highway. Like the airstrip is literally across the road. In fact, sisi kwanza tumekuja na matatu, unaona, so accessible. Tulipanda tu matatu tea room and now we're here. And then the cost si mbaya. Like I've told you, the cost for the 100-year-old house. The Shepherd's Hut, this is like 8,000 Kenya shillings for 2 people per night, and then an extra person would be 2,000 bob. And Nanyuki is like 3 hours away from Nairobi, so it's such an ideal place for like a weekend getaway. These grounds are so cool. You can come, there's a swimming pool, you can swim. Like Shepherd's Huts were primarily used in the UK, like Kitambo back in the day. Yeah? It was just a hut, a horse-drawn wagon. Used to move in caravans, and they were primarily used by farmers who kept sheep and lambs, like during lambing season. But nowadays, like that culture has kind of dwindled, so usually if you find them siku hizi, they're just being used for glamping. So I think this is the only type of this accommodation that we have in Kenya right now. So that's the concept, that's why it's called Shepherd's Hut. Interior is very simple. Like there's a bed there, so that's a double bed, and then the bed I'm chilling on now, this is the bed I'm chilling on now. This is a single bed. Little food station hapa, like there's a microwave, you can make tea, there's glasses right out front. So this is an addition because the traditional Shepherd's Huts didn't have these. There's a little deck, and like just a little wooden deck, just surrounded by a lot of plants and flowers, different colors, which really add to like the ambience here. There's a little chilling station here if you want, and then at night they can light this up. Yo, it's looking like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna rush back to a 100-year-old house, but I just wanted to show you guys this other option for accommodation. Let's walk in and do a really quick house tour. It has wooden floorboards. It's a bit of a log cabin. It's actually a cabin. So this is what the front porch looks like. The veranda goes all the way to that side. Walk into the kitchen. This is a really lovely kitchen, so you can come with your food if you're with family, your friends. This is one of the chilling areas which I just love. Check out the space. Twin room here. Good little bathroom here with a clawfoot bathtub, your shower, whatever. Master bedroom. It has its own bathroom, and then the final room is also a twin room. Yo, it's ridiculously cold in this house. Not just in this house, like in Nanyuki, it's very cold, so make sure you carry warm clothes. 3 p.m. and I was actually just chilling on this sofa. Like, thank goodness they have water bottles. This is what actually like got me through the night. I even got up in the middle of the night just to boil up like a second. It's lunchtime, so you can either go to the restaurant, but you can also just order in. We were feeling a bit lazy to go out there because it was drizzling a little as well, so I've just ordered food. I've been intermittent fasting. This is my first meal of the day, but I haven't really been fasting because I've been drinking wine so that definitely took me out of. So let me show you what I've ordered. I've gone Indian today. So I'm having some butter chicken. You can never go wrong with butter chicken, and some naan. And then this, I'll keep this for like later. We have some bhajia. Kuna baridi. Seriously, like it is freezing. So we've asked for some firewood to be brought. Firewood, by the way, it's 500 shillings for an entire wheelbarrow of kuni. Light this fireplace right there. The firewood is here. Good morning. This is our final morning in this house. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. By the way, don't ever say I never plug you guys into cool places you can go to for the weekend at affordable prices. Okay, so we're just going to set up a picnic right now because we're fancy like that. I mean, picnics aren't fancy though, right? We're gonna set up a beautiful picnic because we're Instagrammers. Hey, by the way, if you would like me come check out your property, then my email address is below. It's wendywater92@gmail.com. and if you're looking for a travel writer, I mean, who better than me? Huh? No one. Hiya Basi. This kind of matches my dress. Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, here come flowers. More props for a little picnic. So we're setting it up right there. What an epic breakfast spread. So this is what everything looks like. We're just going to lay it out front. And I changed into this yellow dress because I didn't take shots in it yesterday. And also aesthetics, eh? Do it for the aesthetics. Beautiful bouquet of flowers. Totally look like a bride, huh? Here comes the bride. I even have the like a long dress. Here comes the bride. Yo, let me not freak out my boyfriend.